Damn it. He's almost dead. It, whatever. Thank you. Actually killed that guy. Alright, let me do a full save here. Let's do a new save. Alright. Oh, she's down there. Alright. It's almost dead.
You know how to show a girl a good time.
Hey, who's there?
I'm going to save after every kill because... Okay, I think that's it. Now I gotta activate this and bring on the queen. What weapon should I try first? I will try... Curious about the fat man. 562 damage. I have the feeling I'm gonna kill myself using this thing. Alright. Oh crap, there's another one. There's a couple of them. Alright. You're not gonna be able to get up here. Oh, what's going on? Oh. Where are you going, woman?
Nothing out there.
Alright, she took care of it.
You guys got me stirred up over nothing.
Who are these guys? Just keep hearing them talk all the time. Alright. two less I have to worry about. Okay, it's open. Okay, I just saved it. If I just run through, is it gonna appear? She? Alright, I'm not taking any radiation damage, so let me just switch back to my stuff. Sorry, just gotta keep saving. Alright, I'm gonna. She's not coming, so I'm gonna run. Ah! Yeah, there she is. Alright. Move it. Wrong button. Back to my hazmat suit. And through here. Oh, what's attacking me? Something's eating me. Sorry, Kate. I'm coming. Oh, we got all sorts of company. Oh, she's right here. Oh, she's huge. Marlet Queen. Is that the only thing down there? I'll just have her kill it. Come on, Queen.
Found you.
Alright, another save. Whoa, it's looking at me. Alright, where's... Let's see if one of the mines doesn't explode in my face. It's like right here. Oh, what's hitting me? Oh, you little stinker. Okay, do they just keep coming? Holy hell. Nope, I'm aiming for her. Alright, Fat Man. Bad idea, I know it. Oh! It worked! Oh, she's almost dead! Alright, this thing is really effective. Okay, where do you guys keep coming? Rapid fire. That fat man's really a get out of jail free card, isn't it? I got it. I got her.
If we don't move fast, we're gonna start glowing.
Short assault rifle. Where'd that come from? Alright, we got her. That is definitely a get out of jail free card. Alright, where are her friends? She has the toaster on her. Really? Are you kidding me? Oh, look at her.